Hello traders, you are all welcome on my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to discuss a latest account statement. Alright, I will explain everything in front of you, so all your doubts will be easily cleared. Alright, let me start this video. Here you can check the broker name. You can see here the broker name. This is a real account statement. One moment. Here you can clearly see the broker name. Exness Broker, okay? We are using HFT Arbitrage on Exness Broker and we are generating a good amount of money. I will explain everything in front of you, so every doubt is really clear. Here you can check, this is a real account. Here you can also see, this is a real live account, so every doubt is really clear. This is an Exness account. Here you can also check, Exness account. Alright. And one moment, here you can check everything. Alright. This is my trading history. Here you can see, in this account we deposited $10,035. Here again, you can check. In this account we deposited $10,035 and we generated profit of around $16,977. And the withdrawal amount, you can check here, is $13,469. Everything is clear and real. Here you can check. Total deposit amount, $10,035. Profit amount, you can see here, $16,977. Withdrawal amount, you can see here, $13,469. And the current balance, you can also check here. This is my latest and real account statement. Here you can also check the broker. Here you can also see the statement. And now I will show you the withdrawals. So everyone's doubts are really clear. Here you can check the withdrawals. This is the withdrawal tab. Here you can see, this is the withdrawal tab. We withdrew from this account $2,000. We withdrew from this account as requested. One moment, I will explain everything in front of you, so all your doubts are clear. Here you can check. On 8th January 2026, we deposited $5,000. On 8th January 2026, we deposited $5,000. And then, here you can check the withdrawal. On 12th January 2026, we withdrew $100. And again, you can check here another withdrawal amount, $2,501. Also on 12th January 2026. And again, here you can check. We deposited on 13th January 2026. We deposited $1,000 and $34 as well. And again, we deposited here. You can check. On 14th January 2026, we deposited $2,000 plus $2,000. Total $4,000. Again, withdrawal. On 14th January 2026, we withdrew. Here you can check the withdrawal detail. We withdrew $425. Here you can see $425 withdrawn from this account. Everything is real. Again, we withdrew. Here you can check $700. Check here. $700 withdrawal. Okay, this is my real account statement, guys. And everything is in front of you, so every doubt is easily clear. If you have any questions related to HFT arbitrage, you can ask me. I will try to reply to your questions as soon as possible. And I will explain in front of you the full report card of this account. Here you can check. Here you can see everything. Drawdown, balance, profit, loss. You can check all trades are manual. Zero trading robots. So the broker never detects us. We are using HFT arbitrage technology in the Forex market. Here you can also check. We only traded for 1 week and we generated profitable results within 1 week. Here you can also see long positions, short positions, everything is in front of you. Here you can also check manual trading. Everything is in front of you. We traded in gold and currency pairs, mostly in gold and silver. Risk, you can check here our risk. This is a risk-free style account. Minimum drawdown and maximum profit. This is my real account statement. If you need any kind of help related to HFT arbitrage, you can contact me on my Telegram channel. I will try to reply to your questions as soon as possible. If you need any kind of help related to HFT arbitrage, we are using HFT arbitrage software on Forex brokers, and we generate a good amount of profit. You can also use this software. This is very cheap software. You can also use this software and get a profitable result in the Forex market, and support your friends and family and enjoy your life without tension. If you have any question, ask me on Telegram. If you like my video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. And thank you for watching my video, traders.